Again, we're back together. All right, so we've done questions 1.1 to 1.3, right, from the May-June technical maths exam, right? So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you're part of this family, right? And we are going to dive into question 1.4. So they say to us, evaluate that number. So we've got 2 times, okay, that's 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, we've got 5 ones and a 0, and that's in binary, right? So the 2 at the bottom suggests that this is in binary form, right? And this is plus 38, that's in, okay, decimal form, okay? So in this case, we want to find, they said, leave your answer in decimal form. So let's work out this binary digit first, right? So what we do with binary digits, I want you guys to please note, we've got 6 numbers all together there. All right, so I'm going to make 6 columns. All right, so there we go. So I'm going to start with that 0, that 1, that's 1, that's 1, that's 1, and another 1, right? So in this case, that means the first digit from the right would always be 2. Remember, that's binary, so this is the base that we're going to use, right? This is to the exponent 0. The second one, that's 2 to the exponent 1. They increase as you move towards, as you move to the left, okay? So in this case, that's 2 squared. Okay, I just did something there. That's 2 squared. It's 2 to the power 3, 2 exponent of 4, and 2 raised to the exponent of 5. Now, I want you to note on the first digit, our first digit is a 0, okay? Our first binary digit is a 0, so which means we do not add this number here. We're supposed to have 2 to the exponent of 0 giving us 1, but because we've got a 0, it means that we're not going to add that there. So that becomes 0 plus 2 to the power 1. We've got a 1 there, which means it is represented. So that exists, so that's 2 plus. We've got a 1 there, so which means we're adding that. 2 squared is 4, right? We're going to add that. There's another 1 there. 2 cubed is 8. Okay, there's another 1 there, which means we're going to add it. That's 16. And we're going to add that 1 over there. 2 to the power 5 is 32. Okay, so I keep doing this. So this is going to be 32. So let's convert that binary number into a digit. So we're going to add all of these together. All right, and it's going to give us the decimal form of this. Right, so we're going to say 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2. Okay, and remember this is a 0, so that would give us 62. All right, so which means that binary digit there is an equivalent of 62 in decimal form, right? So that's going to be 2 plus 62 plus 38, okay? Now if I look at that, 62 plus 38 gives me 100, so that's 2 multiplied by 100, and so which means our final answer there would be 200. Okay, so please remember how to convert decimals, all right, or rather binary numbers into decimals, all right, and also just know how to do that in reverse as well. When you're given decimals, how we convert them to binary. If you don't know how to do that, we've got a full-on lesson on that. You can have a look at it on this channel. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on the next video when we look at question 2. Sharp for now.